You can see her ears were up. So we
Yes.
have 10 acres. And so she's always running and getting dust and everything in there. So I do a cleansing with her. But she's more sensitive. She does not like her ears messed with. So it's a ritual. Sometimes I'll have to do a distress remedy, a flower essence with her to calm her down. I'll have her smell. She really likes chamomile. She's not a lavender girl. She loves more like
That's
geranium. And
interesting for her name.
yeah, I know. Yeah. She does like Cami is short for chamomile because that was the first oil that I ever smelled. And so ode to that. But
Oh,
yeah,
she
she
likes chamomile.
does. She really does. And that kind of just calms her down. And so then, but I do have to do the massage. She has to
Right.
get some loving to lay there. And then she moans and groans, "Arr," until I can roll her over and get the other ear. And that's another important note is anytime you do remedies with the ears, you always want to do both sides to balance the equilibrium. Don't ever do just one side. You have to do both.